If she's just sitting there and she's just putting her head down and she said, and you give her a piece of paper and say, we're working on this, and she says, no, I ain't working on this, and gives you that kind of, you're still okay. You just say to the child, you say, you know what, yeah, if you need some help, let me know. I'll be right over in just a few minutes. And then, see, so this is what you're writing on your management plan. Give the adult a script. Say, oh, I'll check in just a minute. And then teacher walks away, checks with other kids, but then cycles right back and checks on her because that's what she promised to do. All right, so this kid needs to learn how to depend on adults without creating a problem. So teacher goes back and checks and she still says no. She goes, no, I'm not doing it. So teacher says, okay, you know what? I think you know how to do this one, but I'll be right back to help you in just a few. And we keep doing that over and over. So we're just brainstorming right now. Those are the managements. So a really strong management plan that I use all the time with kids is I give the adults a script. We talk about it all the time. What are 3 words you can say to her? Oh, try number 2. I'll be right back to check on you. And then cycle right back to check on her. All right, don't wait until she starts to unravel. And if you do that regularly, she starts to see that, okay, the adults said they'll be right back to check on me. Okay, I'm here. And they come back and check, but I still haven't done it. So adult says, oh, I'll be back again in just a few minutes. Go ahead. I know you know number 2. You got this. And then I cycle back. And then if she does number 2 on the page, I sit down next to her and I say, this is fabulous. I'm going to sit with you while you do number 3.